Welcome to this tutorial showing how to use the match function in Excel. The match function returns the relative position of an item in an array that matches a specified value in a specific order. In other words, the match function will tell you if a match is found within a list based on the value that you want to look up, and if it's found, where it was found within that list. This is the syntax of the match function. Equals match, open parentheses, followed by 3 parameters, separated by commas. What you want to look up, where you want to look for it, comma, and then the type of match, with 3 possible options. 2 for the approximate match, less or greater than, and the third one, an exact match, closing parentheses. Let's go over a few examples to see the differences between the different types of match. Starting with an exact match. This is our data, a list of colors, and a value we want to look up, pink. Let's see if pink is found in our list. Equals match, open parentheses, the value we want to look up, pink, located in cell D14, comma, selecting our data, comma, and then the type of match we want to use. In our first example, we want an exact match, and I will type 0 to indicate exact match. Closing parentheses, pressing enter, we get the value 5. So what does 5 mean? 5 means that pink is the 5th value in our data. Let's verify that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Indeed, pink is the 5th value in our data. Let's try another color. Red. 3. That is correct. Green. 4. That is correct. And just like the other lookup functions, the match function is not case sensitive. Green is all lowercase here. It's not in our data. If a value is not found, like black, the match function will return NA, not available. Now, let's go over a couple of cases using approximate matches. Starting here with values, and the values always have to be sorted in ascending order or descending order in our second example. Starting with ascending order, that's the value we want to look up. Equals match, open parentheses, our value located in cell M14, comma, our data here, comma, and we want to use less than because the data is sorted in ascending order. 1, closing parentheses, we get the value 4 because 1900 is located like between 1500 and 2000. So it reached 1500 but did not reach 2000, and 1500 is the 4th value in the list. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, we got the value 4 in our formula. By entering 600, we would get the value 2 because it is higher than 500 but lower than 1000. Therefore, it stopped at the second value, 500. So 2. Now, if our data is sorted in descending order, we will need to use a different type of approximate match. That is the value we want to look up, 1100. equals match, open parentheses, our value 1100 located in cell R14, comma, our data, comma, and this time -1 to use greater than, closing parentheses, enter, and getting the value 2. Same thing, 1100 is greater than 1000, but lower than 1500. Therefore, it is contained between 1500 and 1000. 2, because 1, 2, but not 3, because it is greater than 1000. If we were to enter 300, we would get 4 here, because 300 is lower than 500, but greater than 0. This concludes this tutorial about using the match function in Excel. Thanks for watching.